Atoya at home, DAT Family 5 fam. Today we are starting off October with our Vlogtober, and we are doing DIY. So today I am with Ezekia, which is the baby of the family, and we're doing some crystal bath bombs. And we are excited to do these for you and to get these started. And I just showed y'all the directions. And then also in this video we're doing DIYs. So y'all seen in my last couple of videos for fall that a lot of my things that I've done are DIYs from Dollar Tree, and I will try to link those down below if I can find them. If not, just ask me and I can tell you that I mostly found them at Dollar Tree or at Joann's. I will link those videos up above in the icons when it's necessary throughout the video. Let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I am the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. I am also a medical assistant for the past 16 years, and I am now in school to be a healthcare administrator, and then also to become a PA by the time I'm 48. So there's a lot going on in this household. I'm trying to make sure that I put out content for you to make sure that, and I am also an entrepreneur, to try to make sure that you have all the content you need to get your life and just to have some fun, you know what I mean? For we are the family that loves life and having fun, and we love giving you the motivation, inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. So we can go ahead and get through this part here. I hope you really enjoyed the music, and I'll be back as necessary. Y'all know I really don't like to talk to y'all too much because I tend to ramble like I am right now. So that is all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Make sure you start sharing this content with some of your family members, some of your friends. If you like our vibe that we're giving, go ahead and do that for us, okay? We're trying to hopefully, prayerfully, get to, our goal is to get to 1,000 by February, because that'll be 3 years with us being on YouTube, and prayerfully be at 500 by my birthday, 12/31. If we can get past that 500 by my birthday, that'd be great. So just let me know what y'all got. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. Let's get back to this music and watching us make these bath bombs. Hey you guys, I'm back. So this music that is on this video today is coming from my KindMaster asset store. I'm going to eventually show y'all how we do that and show y'all how I edit eventually, just not right now. But yes, I love my KindMaster editing system, and it's so easy, beginner friendly. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know about it because it's just that amazing to me. It have good music. Majority of the music is Asian music, I'm not going to lie, so you will hear different languages sometimes, but it's good music and I like it. So it's not from Epidemic Sounds, this video, but it's from KindMaster.
There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me, going follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting for you. But don't hurry, oh slowly, oh yeah. The moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. Into my life, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love, ooh. Somebody else, and that is you, ooh. Ooh, falling with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow is slowly, oh yeah. The moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie.
You lick your lips, you think you're slick. You stalk like I'm a piece of meat. You're trying out and showing off. So flashy, don't do jack for me. You're such a troll, out of control. I wish I could just hit delete. Why you gotta ruin this for us? Spoil the fun, just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. Dude, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Just stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way. Should not be hard to understand. Don't wanna be bothered by a man. No need to flex, boy, don't be vexed. Not interested, no way, no thanks. Do you think they're acting confident? Get you in, that's not the point. Acting smooth, but you got no cool. So simple, you just gotta move. Why you gotta ruin this for us? Spoil the fun, just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Just get out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my sight. I have had enough of your loud parade. It's time for you to go away. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Just stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way.
내게로 와서 melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You are just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져. Something in my heart. 이 맘 전하고 싶어. When you ring my valentine. Sunny day you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고.
Hey you guys, so we're coming to the much anticipated welcome sign that is on my porch right now. I found this blank canvas wood, whatever you want to call it, wood board from Joann's for $12.50, and then I just got the chalk paint from Joann's. I think that was like $2, and those are Dollar Tree sponges. And so yeah, I did that. Okay, so what I did to make this a budget DIY, I just looked up the font for welcome. I painted the letters of welcome, and then I put them on with Mod Podge. So yeah, it was pretty easy. It was under $20 altogether, and I like what I got. I think that for next year, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Velcro on the zero so we can have different things for each season. And yeah, I really love what I did and what I created, and I was just trying to think of a different way that hadn't been done before. But we are also coming to a close of this video. We have about 3 minutes left. Please stay till the end, and if you are still here, please know that you are the MPV for DAT Family. Yes. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you click that thumbs up, and make sure that you please share this content with a friend or family or foe. All right, y'all, because this is good content to get you all happy and going and everything. So we just want to thank y'all so much, and as always, we will see you on the tube. And we are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank y'all so much. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave.
Because I'm emptying my heart to you, yeah. Sa-dum dum dum dum, sa-dum dum dum da 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 da. Everything is so right. 서로가 마주하는 이곳. We've been waiting for a love like this, my love. Yeah, now. Oh, no, no, yeah.
Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go ghost. Hey. You called, I let you in and 4 walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden. Kept our secrets safe.